Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York and I'm here in beautiful Atlantic City. Right now I'm staying at the Resorts Hotel and Casino. I did a whole day of recording here in Atlantic City. I did some editing there on the desk in the background there and getting kind of hungry, so I'm going to head downstairs. Not going to walk too far. Going to take the elevators downstairs to Ruby's Dinette. Kind of in the mood for a patty melt, so I think I'm going to order a patty melt and something they called frings, which is a side order of French fries and onion rings mixed together. I don't even know if they're open. I think they're open until 1 a.m. and it's about, I think, 11 p.m. So hopefully they're open. But in the meantime, follow me. Let's go downstairs, check out Ruby's Dinette, and have a patty melt and take it from there. I'm in the Rendezvous Tower here at Resorts. I'm here for 2 nights, comped, and like I said, I've been editing videos, I've been recording videos and editing videos all day long. Looking forward to a nice, I guess you can call this a midnight meal. So heading downstairs right now. Now the elevators to the Rendezvous Tower, which is where I'm staying, drops you right off at Ruby's Dinette, but I wanted to head out to the boardwalk real fast to see, because I've been upstairs a lot today and really foggy. As a matter of fact, where I am, the windows are hard to see out of because of the fog. So I'm just going to head out to the boardwalk. I'm going to bring you guys out with me to show you what it looks like out there. Not sure if it's still foggy. We're going to find out though, and then we'll head over to Ruby's Dinette. I just stepped out for a moment at the Landshark Bar and Grill right outside the doors, the boardwalk doors here at Resorts Hotel and Casino. And yeah, it is really foggy. You can see the observation wheel from the steel pier there. It's been foggy all day. It's warm here. It's getting near the end of October and it's pretty warm here on the Atlantic City boardwalk. But it's just been a very foggy day. Like I said, I did a lot of work in the room upstairs today, as well as some recording inside the hotels and casinos. And I couldn't even see out my windows. It was like milk. So in any event, I'm hungry and I have some more work to do upstairs. But before I do that, we're going to head to Ruby's Dinette. I'm in the mood for a patty melt. And again, they have something called fries, I'm not sure what it's called, but it's kind of like a mixture of French fries and onion rings, so you don't have to order both. They just mix them together and it's one appetizer. So let's head inside and check it out. This is Clarice, the Miss America crown. She's hidden in all my Atlantic City videos. Sometimes she's easy to spot, and other times she can be quite elusive. If you spot her, leave a comment below on the timestamp where you found her, and you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. I know it's looking dead around here, and well, yeah, it is. Don't forget, this is a weeknight. It's close to midnight, and the weather is horrible. So, yeah, it's going to be quiet in here tonight. So Ruby's Diner has a great menu, pretty much a little bit of everything, and the food's pretty good here. I've eaten here before, but as we're about to find out, not everything is available around midnight, or I'm going to say it's around 11:30 at this point. They stopped serving burgers, and a patty melt, which is what I was in the mood for, of course, is considered a burger, but we'll make do, and I'll order something else. But as you can see by the menu, they have a bunch of appetizers, fresh salads, all different kinds of burgers. They have plates as well as all-American sandwiches and breakfast, which is served all day long. And of course, Ruby's is known for their shakes and malts. So it's 11:30, but they're not serving any burgers at this point. They close at 1 o'clock, but I guess from 11 o'clock on, it's only fried food. So I ordered some fish and chips. I'm happy with that too. We'll see what they look like. In the meantime, I'm going to show you guys around the food court here at Resorts Hotel and Casino. Hey, if you're enjoying this video, please hit that subscribe button and smash that thumbs up. It really does help the channel out. So I ordered the fish and chips, which is basically French fries, some cocktail sauce, and a bottle of water. And it looks pretty good. I mean, it's a midnight snack basically for me. I'm going to go upstairs and do some more work after I'm done eating this, but it looks pretty satisfying. So the fish and chips are pretty good. They look like chicken fingers, but they're not. They're actually fillets and cooked perfectly. I had to let it sit for a couple of minutes. They were very hot. They're deep fried, and but the fish itself is really tender, and it's beer battered, and it's very crispy. Really good. The fries are really good too. Crispy. All they have on them is a little bit of salt, which is perfect. And they're shoestring fries. Crispy on the outside, nice and tender on the inside. Pretty good meal. Not that expensive either for Atlantic City. So, as you can see, I didn't care for my dinner. Don't forget you can support the New Yawk channel by clicking on that thanks button right below the video that you're watching, or shop at the New Yawk store. The link to the store is right in the description below. Thank you so much. I appreciate your support. Well, it came to under $17 and I really enjoyed it. I really didn't eat much today. I had a slice of pizza around, I'm going to say 1 or 2 o'clock, and like I said, it's 11:30 at night now, so they're closing up this joint. Dunkin' Donuts is open 24 hours a day. Ruby's, which is where I got the fish and chips, is open until 1 o'clock, but with a limited menu, as I pointed out. But I really enjoyed it. Now I'm going to head back up to the room and do some more video editing for you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.